Got a scratchy throat or a mild cough? Here are 3 simple food remedies to help ease the discomfort. Baked orange. Slice the orange, sprinkle a little salt and cover it. Bake at 200 Celsius for 10 minutes. Peel and enjoy. Steamed edible lily bulb with honey. Wash the lily bulbs and steam for 8 minutes. Drizzle honey on top before eating. Steamed pear with Sichuan peppercorn. Wash the pear to see a juicy one. Cut open the top and remove the core. Add 6 to 8 Sichuan peppercorns and steam for 35 minutes. These remedies are mainly warm, moist, and throat smoothing, suitable for easing mild cough or scratching throats. Edible lily bulb, pears, and honey has gently smoothing effects. If you cough, these 3 remedies are simple and nourishing, perfect for easing minor cough.